How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to pair your Vizio Smart television to your Amazon Alexa devices. First thing you want to do is press the V button. That's going to take you to your internet connected apps. This button is located in the center of the remote control. Once you get there, you're then going to scroll over to the far right of the screen where it says Extra, and then you're going to go down to where it says Alexa. Alright, on the next screen you should see something very similar to this. Looking at the right side, you're going to have a 4-digit code. But first, what you're going to have to do is, if we look below that, we're going to see a web address you're going to need to go to link your television to your Vizio account. If you don't have a Vizio account, you will need to create one. And it's real simple. All you need to do is enter an email address and create a password. After you enter the code and you get the green check mark, your Vizio television is now linked to your Vizio account. The next step is to link it with your Alexa device. Alright, so the next step is step 3. As you can see, we skipped step 2, which is the quick start mode. Now my TV already had quick start mode enabled, and what that pretty much does is it allows your television to boot up quicker. So step 3, we just need to go to our Alexa app and add the Vizio SmartCast skill and then enable it. Alright, so once you enable the Alexa skill, keep in mind that you will need to log in to your Vizio account through the Alexa app, so you might want to keep your password handy. After that, you're going to choose to discover your devices. Now also keep in mind that Alexa is only going to respond to the label your television has. So if you label the kitchen TV, bedroom TV, wherever the label is, that's the name Alexa is going to recognize. So the things you can do with having your Vizio TV paired to your Alexa device is you can power your television off and on. You can control the volume. You can have her pause your television, rewind, fast forward, just by talking to it.